Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a text field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the text field. Drag and drop the text field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the text field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the text field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The input icon option allows you to add a symbol or image within the input field. This feature allows you to provide clear instructions on what information to enter, making it easy for users to complete forms or documents. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. This option allows you to set a default text for the form field that will automatically populate when the form is loaded on the front end. The Suggestions feature enables you to create a custom suggestion list that will appear as the user types in the input field. The Autocomplete option allows you to customize the type of automated suggestions the browser offers for filling out the field. This feature is especially useful on mobile devices, automatically displaying an appropriate virtual keypad for easy input of numeric values like text, URL, email address, zip codes, or phone numbers. Here, set a regular expression pattern that effectively matches the input value field. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the text field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the text field will be visible. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. The unique entry option ensures that each form entry is unique, and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if an entry is not unique. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the text field. Here, you can see that the text field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.